There we go. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. And today I have this puppy. Now you're probably saying, Mr. Hino, I've seen the puppy before. But no, today I have something really secret and new. Thank you to Joe Heidemann. He let me know that there's a secret behind the heart portion of the puppy program. In previous videos, I've said, I don't know what causes the heart portion to come on this puppy. Thanks to Joe, today we do. And so I'm going to show you what is the secret in the program and how do you get the heart portion to come on. Okay, so the trick that Joe showed me would be to press down and hold this left button. You're going to hear the clicking. Hold down the middle one. Okay, and then let go of the middle one. And then when you see that, press the middle down again. And then there you go. Hey everybody, Happy New Year from Mr. Hino. If you guys are interested, I came out in 2022 with a robotics notebook. This is going to be on Amazon. One has the year on it, the other one does not. So if you don't want to get caught up in, hey, I want one for, any year, you can check out both these notebooks, and they basically just have blank pages for you to put notes, drawings in. Hey, first Lego Leaguers, the judges really would love to see that you've been keeping notes on helping your team, robot design, robot game, just tidbits, notes, just to see that you've been keeping track and learning. So if you want to hop onto Amazon, you guys can check these books out. If you guys want different color schemes, let me know in the comments section and I'll throw up a design for you guys that you really like. But these are on Amazon for you guys to purchase. So if you guys just go down to the description, you can see the link for these robotic notebooks. They're very cool. All right, let's go over what these numbers mean. The feeding, you have to feed it 4 times the target number, and petting it is the target number. So watch this. If I pet it, okay, do you see it went to 1? I pet it again. It went to 2. Pet it, it goes to 3. Okay, and pet it again. Okay, so it's 4 for 4. Now I gotta feed it, and you have to feed it a different color each time. Okay, you see it's at 3 to 4. Now I just used my fingers, so that's red. Let me give it white, and it should go to hearts now. Let's see, did I miss something? Oh, I gotta pet it 2 more times. If you're too slow, the numbers will go down. Okay, I'm petting it again. Okay, the pet's at 4 to 4. Now I gotta feed it. Okay, that's red. And you'll notice I'm at 3 to 4. Let me give it something white. Now it should do the hearts. Let's see what happened. Was I too slow again? Yep, I gotta pet it. And now I gotta feed it again. Was I too slow? Okay, I gotta pet it again. And yep, I have to pet it 2 more times. And I have to feed it 2 more times. And what did I do now? Got to pet it again. And pet it again. Got to be quick. It's kind of hard to get here on camera. Okay, gotta pet it. There we go. So thank you to Joe Heidemann for giving me the insight into the heart portion of that program. For the life of me, for I guess 5, 6, 7 years, we just couldn't figure out what makes that heart portion come on. And thanks to you, we're able to see what the target numbers are in the program, and to be able to feed it and pet it now, knowing what the target number is, and now being able to expect that heart part to come on. So that was really cool, Joe. Thank you so much for enlightening me on that issue. And now everybody knows in the puppy program, that's how that works. So thank you again. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you liked what you see and things like that. You can find inside tips like the one Joe gave me, and I appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I am out. We're out! Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.